Now don't you want to be mad at anyone. What's the name? Hell no, not incontrovertible. Tom Jones! Tom Jones! Tom Jones! That's the name I was looking for. Tom Jones. Tom Jones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the person that made this song? If you get it right, you're one small person that knows your music. This is from a TV show, too.
Y50.
Hell. What's the name of this music from a TV show? Yes, you said banana? Bonanza. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the person that made this song? I found my thrill.
What's Domino?
Yes! That's Domino. That's Domino. Boy, you know your music, lady. You know your music. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the group that made this song? This is a white group. A white group. What's the name of the white group that made this song? What's the name?
Cream.
Yes. The lady with the pen. Cream. Ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the white group that made this one? Sugar. Honey. You are my candy girl. You got me wanting you. What's the name? Hell yeah, you gotta be over 40 to know that. Yes! That was a long time ago. Archie. Ladies and gentlemen, I bet you don't know who made this one. What's the name of the female that made this song? She used to get beat up backstage. She got pretty legs and yes.
They give it away.
Yeah.
They give it away.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the white group that made this song? We are the champions, my friend. Yeah. We will keep on fighting till the end. I say we are the champions, my friend. We are the champions. You are the champions. No one got me just 'cause we are the champions. Lady with the red hair of the world. I said of the world. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what's the name of the group that made this song? I can't live with or without you.
You too.
Yes, you too. Whoa, lady with the red hair. Whoa, with or without you. With or without your red hair too. I can't live with or without you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. I'm running out of songs. This is my last song I'm going to sing before I leave the train. And it goes like this. I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. If you just know what I mean, if you know what I see. Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. I really did. Michael Jackson. I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. If you just know what I mean when I tell you what I see. Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. Any donation? Anybody? I take food stamps. I take college credits. Thank you.